So let us implement this bank account related class. So let me consider class name as account. So in this account class, first I will define the init method, which is a constructor, right? So inside this constructor, I am initializing the balance of the account. So initially the balance of the account will be 0. So I can write it as self dot account is equal to 0. Okay. So also I will just display a message saying that new account is created. Okay. New account is created. Okay. So this is the constructor. And now let us implement deposit method. The idea is to deposit amount into the account. So let's define this deposit method. Okay. And first ask the user that how much amount you want to deposit here. Okay. So which is basically a floating point value. I want to prompt the user to enter the amount to be deposited. Okay. The amount to be deposited. Okay. So once the user enters the corresponding amount to be deposited inside the account, okay, so that amount should be added to the balance. Okay, so I'm considering this as self dot balance here. Okay, so I'm going to increment that balance. So right now the balance is basically 0. Now I will increment this to self dot balance plus is equal to amount, right? Okay. So whatever amount is taken, the same amount will be added to the account, which is self dot balance will be incremented by amount. Now you can start printing the new balance. Okay, you can write saying that new balance is. So how much is the new balance? The same balance you can display here. Okay, so you can write self dot balance value to be displayed here. Okay, so this is how we can implement deposit method. Now I want to withdraw amount from the account. So for that purpose I will define a withdraw method. Okay, so in this withdraw method we can first input the user. Okay, so the idea is to basically ask how much the user is trying to withdraw. Okay, that's it. So amount is equal to, just like this, you can see how we are asking here for deposit. Similarly here also for withdrawal. Okay, okay, I'm writing enter the amount to withdraw. So once the user enters the amount, now there are two choices, right? So the amount can be greater than the current balance. Okay, suppose currently account is having okay, a value, let us suppose x, but whatever you are asking to withdraw is a 2x, then that is not possible, right? Okay, so in that case it is going to display a message saying that insufficient balance. Okay, so let us first implement this case. Whenever amount requested is greater than the self dot balance, in that case we have to print saying that insufficient balance. Okay, clear? So what is the other case? Suppose whatever user is requesting, that amount is possible to withdraw. Okay, because the balance is sufficient. In that case, you can withdraw, right? So obviously when you withdraw, the amount will be deducted from the balance. So I can write self dot balance minus equal to amount. Okay, so now I'll print this. Okay, so after deducting this amount from the self dot balance, I can display saying that new balance is. Okay, so the new balance is clearly self dot balance. Okay, so the other method is inquiry method. Whenever you want to check how much balance is existing in the account, so you can go for this method, which is inquiry method. Okay, here all you need to do is just displaying the current balance in the account. So I can write balance is. Okay, so you can display the balance by just writing self dot balance. Okay, so this is the account class, right? Now we need to basically create an object for this particular class in order to call the respective methods like deposit method, withdraw method, inquiry method. So I'll write AC is representing the object name for the class called account. Now you can start calling these methods inside this particular class called account. Okay, so I can write AC dot deposit method. First I'm calling deposit method, and then we can call withdraw method, and finally I'm calling this inquiry method. Okay, so let's run this program and see the result. Here new account is created. Enter amount to be deposited. For example, I'm entering the amount to be deposited as $12,000. Okay, then new balance is $12,000. Enter amount to withdraw. For example, I want to withdraw $1,500. Okay, in that case you can see new balance is 10,500, and also you will print current balance is basically 10,500. Okay, so this is how you can implement the banking related application containing different functions or methods such as deposit method, withdraw method, inquiry method. Okay, like this.